anything and everything for women, but not just for women, for everyone too, because you know, knowledge is power. PMS. If you're a girl, then you know what it's like to have PMS, but if you're a guy, then you've probably already been victimized by a girl on PMS. I'm currently PMSing, and honestly, all I want to do is eat. I just want to eat really good food. But I thought it would be a really good idea to eat all this good food with a really good friend. Ta-da! Hey guys, it's Sarah D.
Hey.
We are gonna show you the food that we usually crave for when we're PMSing. Ta-da! This is my best friend. I don't just eat ruffles like this. I always eat it with Arla. I love Arla so much. Sponsor me already. I tag you in all my Instagram stories. This is their cheesy spread, and it comes in this really nice. What do you think of it?
I like it. So if we're friends and you know me, you work with me, you know how much I love Coke. Whether I'm on my period or not, PMSing or not, this is a craving all day, every day. We're gonna ASMR this. Let's see. This is a craving all day, every day. I will continue.
Would you like some Coke flavored French fries, dear?
We have 3 flavors. There's barbecue, cheese, and my favorite, which people find weird, is wasabi.
Some people really like sweet and salty, or some people like savory. What kind of PMS-er are you?
More on salty. I like, as you can see, I have chips, fries, but I also like savory.
I super love Bubble Tea Station. And it doesn't help that it's really near the office, but you know.
Yeah, there's a branch everywhere.
When I'm not drinking this kind of milk tea, I drink the Moonshine one.
Moonshine is different.
I know, right? Moonshine is the brand that you can buy at 7-Eleven.
Ah, yeah. The blue one.
Yes, they're kind of lasao, but like sometimes when you're just lazy and you want milk tea in the middle of the night,
It's just
that's
there.
my go-to.
If ever I crave for something sweet, it's usually vanilla ice cream. I did not find vanilla ice cream, but I found Oreo.
That's nice to know though, because you're a vanilla girl and I'm a vanilla girl.
I love vanilla.
And most of the people I know, they like chocolate, but like I'm vanilla.
Something's wrong. Something's very wrong.
What's something? Oh my god! Is the drummer people outside?
Wala yun, alisin yung konto.
So guys, just a little disclaimer, if you hear drums and bugles in the background, it's just because like this video comes with its own background music.
Isa was asking me what type of PMS-er I am. In general, my mood is I'm kinda irritable. Like, I get annoyed easily, but I try to control it. Oh my gosh, why is she walking so slow?
You shouldn't drive.
Yeah, I don't
You
drive.
shouldn't drive when you're PMSing. Like, there's like a specific person that you're specifically mad at this month, and then like the rest of the days you love them.
No,
That's just me.
anyone that's in front of me, if you catch me in a bad mood, it's you.
Sometimes I'm irritable, but most of the time I'm super emotional. I'm gonna show you one of the reasons why I cry when I'm PMSing. I cry because I want this. It's salmon with Coke. I had to get 2, one for you, one for me, because I did not want to share.
She doesn't share.
Oh. Aside from like all the emotions, does your body hurt when you're PMSing?
Yes. But I would like to say I'm fairly lucky because I know girls who cannot get out of bed when they're on their period or PMSing.
Yeah.
Like, they really can't. Like, it hurts.
That's me. I get sick.
For the most part, it's just uncomfortable. Like, there's like a knot, like in my stomach.
My next craving when I'm PMSing is samgyeopsal. Have you ever craved for something while you're on like your period or when you're PMSing that you couldn't get in the Philippines?
Yes. Panda Express.
What's a weird food combination?
You know chicken curry, right? Like the Filipino chicken curry.
Okay,
We eat it with mango jam at home.
What I'm gonna show you right now is what Ghetto Isa discovered when she was in grade school and was dying of hunger. Sky flakes with butter and salt on top. Is that weird?
Yes.
Are you scared?
Yes. Wait, but the sky flakes already has salt.
I have justified this. I know you're scared, but trust me, it's semi worth it for the experience.
Ako kasabot. Wait, wala ko kasabot. Akong ibat.
Do you have any like pre-menstrual preparations?
If I know I'm gonna have my period in a day or two, I wear like a pad na daan so that di ko malapsan, especially if I'm in a shoot or working.
Do you take any vitamins? Ladies actually need iron supplements. Like a big majority of women are actually anemic or have lower amounts of iron because we bleed, and so we need to take iron. Are you a wings girl or a no wings girl?
I'm a wings girl. Yeah, because I don't know, I'm lihukan, so if I don't wear wings, it's like whoop, whoop.
So some women actually prefer the non-wings because it doesn't give them pilas, and I never knew that.
I get where they're coming from. How old were you when you got your period?
I think 12. Ikaw.
I was 11.
How was your experience when you got your period though?
I was in school, you know, being kiatan. I was grade 5. I was on the slide, on the swing, and I was like, why am I damp? Like, I just found out when I went home, I was gonna take my shower now for the day, and then I was like, what is this mess?
Oh.
I was just like, Ma!
Did your mom have any of these really weird superstitions when you got your period?
Yes, but not her, my yaya.
What did your yaya
My yaya has this weird superstition that on your first regla, you wash your panty with the lapsan or the, and then, mo daw na i-flush yung face.
Girl, you're not even supposed to wash it. You're supposed to ruffle the napkin with the blood on your face.
So that you won't get acne daw.
Yeah. My yaya didn't tell me to lava, and she just like got the panty and applied it on your face.
If you went through that,
No.
does it work? Do you have any other superstitions?
I think I have to jump. Wait, no, that's New Year.
Wala dyan ka dito po is.
What do you think of your period now as compared to how you thought of it when you were younger?
I don't know, I kind of felt pressured to have it. I don't know why.
I think some girls have that pressure. I feel like my relationship now with my period is like, whatever. Like, we're kind of friends now.
It's an inconvenience.
It is.
It's like that family member that you don't like.
But honestly,
But
like,
you have to deal with
but
it.
if it goes away, like one day when we don't get our periods, I think I'm gonna be really sad. I think I'm gonna miss her. Are you the type of girl who is ashamed of her napkin?
No, I never had that impulse to
Right?
like, wala lang, it's a napkin. Like, there's tissue, there's cotton buds, there's cotton pads,
Yeah.
there's a napkin. Wonder if you learned something.
I know, guys. I think that the moral of today's video is that food is good. PMS kind of sucks.
It's normal and all girls go through it. It's
Yes.
different for each girl.
True. Sky flakes with butter and salt is acceptable. I want to know what girls crave for. I want to know that I'm not alone. So guys, I hope you liked this episode of Bayhana. Thank you so much, Sarah, for being in the video with me and talking about PMS. If there's anything that you guys want to share, leave them in the comment section below and we will be sure to answer them for you. Let's have discussions, guys, because healthy discussions are welcome discussions. Don't forget to follow us on our socials. I am Issaplease.
At It's Sarah DM.
And don't forget to follow By TV as well. Also, don't forget to join. See you guys in the next video. Bye! Okay, cut na kayo. Kaon na mi.